Listen up. Right now is not the time to be flipping houses. Material cost is at an all-time high. A 2x4 is $6 at Home Depot. OSB piece of plywood, 4x8 is $22. It went from $8 to $22 in the past month. Contractors are hard to find. Contractors are expensive. They have too much work. We have the elections coming up. We have no clue what's going to happen with the economy. We have a recession that's looming. We have a real estate bubble that's been bubbling for 12 years. If you're going to do a flip and you haven't done one before, this is not the time to practice doing flips. You need to do a flip like a machine, a well-organized oiled machine. You need to have everything lined up. Everything needs to run smooth for you to make a profit. Housing is at an all-time high. Buying these junk houses, rebuilding them is very expensive because the price to acquire them has gone up significantly. So if you have not done a flip, you need to stick to a lipstick on a pig. Paint, carpet, flooring. Other than that, this is not the time to be doing full renovations.